Hi, using your EQ to resolve conflict management involves using a set of emotionally intelligent behaviors that at the same time maintain a positive outcome. Here are my top 5 tips using EQ to resolve conflict with an employee or colleague. 1. Use active listening with empathy and no judgment. Let the other person speak and seek to understand their point of view with logical questioning so you get to know where they're coming from and make them feel listened to. Exercise strong self-regulation to remain calm enough to really hear what they're saying. Use your words carefully and try using I statements rather than you statements, as in, I feel this may have been problematic, rather than, you are always doing this. You're not here to win. 3. Work together to find a solution that may solve the conflict. Ask questions like, what would it take from your end to solve the issue? What do you need from me? How can I help? Make it clear at the start that this conversation will be professional and courteous, and any disrespect or blaming will terminate the discussion. Show respect and non-judgment at all times. Using SMART goals, agree timelines and actions to follow up with clear plans outlines for this follow up and resolution. And finally, always say thank you and smile sincerely. Use your EQ to resolve the conflict every time. Self-regulate with good self-awareness, show empathy and work to find a win-win solution if at all possible. Our world needs less conflict and stress. Have a great week.